everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Today I'm going to show you all how I transformed my client's hair from this to that. If you want to know how I was able to achieve this, please continue watching the rest of this video. So here with me today is my client, and she requested for a packing gel hairstyle, and as you know guys, trust me to always deliver. So I had some tools that enabled me to achieve this particular hairstyle. I had my hot comb, I had a normal teeth comb, I had a blow dryer, and I'm just going to write some of them here so that you guys can see the tools that helped me in achieving this. So all I did was to pick up a small teeth comb, and I sectioned the hair a little bit. Afterwards I combed it and I went in with my hot comb. What the hot comb would enable you to do is to straighten the hair. This is a natural hair. I'm working on natural hair. It has never been relaxed or anything, so it's just going to help you to straighten the hair so that it can be longer and so that the undergrowth in the hair wouldn't be much. So I just sectioned the hair and I went in with my hot comb, just trying to comb through the hair so that it can be straight and really easier to work with. So that was basically what I did from the back and to the front. So you have to section little by little just so that you don't hurt your client. So section little by little and comb it and then go in with your hot comb. So there are a lot of tools that you actually need in order for you to be able to achieve this particular hairstyle, and without some of these tools like the hot comb, you can hardly be able to achieve this particular style. So I'm just going to allow you guys to enjoy the rest of this video. This is just me just straightening the hair. Just so that I don't forget, guys, if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share if this particular video helps you in any way. Please do not forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you get a notification and you will be the first to know. So as you can see guys, this is what the hair looks like right now. It's not as thick as it was looking when we initially started. So this is what it looks like right now. So I'm going to section the middle just so that I can get the middle of her head like this, just so that the bun that I'm going to make would be right at the middle of her head. So make sure that you ask your client if it's at the middle, or you as a hairstylist just has to know. So I'm just going to section the middle of her hair like this, and this is my cold water starch, and I'm using Petals hair gel, and I'm going to add a little cold water starch into the Petal hair gel and mix them up together. I actually did add more, so I'll add more Petal hair gel and then mix it with the cold water starch, just the exact quantity that you saw me apply. So I'm just going to apply this at the middle of her head like this. I'm just going to keep on applying a generous amount until I am good with what I have, until I'm comfortable. And I'm also going to go in with a small brush just to smoothen the whole thing up. Right now I'm going to go in with thread. I'm just going to make sure that it's a little bit thick just so that it doesn't cut while I am trying to knot. So I'm basically going to repeat the same process, guys. I'm going to mix more starch into the Petal hair gel, and I'm just going to go in with this hair gel section by section, just little by little, just so that it can go round. Go in little by little until you have gone all the way, and then when I apply, I'll go in with my brush again, just so that everything can be smooth and so that it can actually come out really nice. So guys, once I get to the front, I'm going to wrap the whole hair up. Just make sure that you're not wrapping it too tight because your clients will be so uncomfortable. So just make sure that you're not holding it too tight. Once I'm done, I'm just going to apply the hair gel at the front like this, just to make sure that everything goes round properly and just to make sure that everything is well laid and smooth. So right now I'm going to section the front of the head like this, just because I want to get the middle of her head. So I'm going to section it like this and then also go in with the hair gel to make sure that everything is properly smoothened and nice. So this is what the hair looks like right now, and I am really loving it. So I'm still going to go ahead to section the front of her head so that it can be neater and so that it can look good. So I'm basically going to secure the thread that I used for the ponytail. I actually didn't want to use edge control for this particular video because I discovered that once you use only edge control, it usually has this white casts and it doesn't dry quickly. So that was why I decided to try this method today, and it actually came out really nice. So right now I'm going to go in with my Got2b spray just so that the hair can be properly laid and so that it does not move. Everything will just stay intact. It just keeps the whole hair intact. And this is what the hair looks like at this point. Once that is done, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer. I'm just going to dry up the hair. Even before I was done, the whole hair was already drying up. That's to show you that this is one of the best methods and the best techniques to use in order to achieve a packing gel hairstyle. Yes, so I just had to blow dry the hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, it was already drying up, but I had to go in my blow dryer to dry everything so that it's properly dried. So guys, the hair extension that I used is from Lush Kinky Twist. I just thought it wise that it will look more natural, so that was why I decided to use this. So what I did was to place one of their rubber bands at the middle of the hair, and once that was done, I went ahead to attach the extension to the ponytail that we have right here. I went ahead to attach the extension to it. So at this point, I went ahead to flip the hair, like I divided it into two, and then went in with needle and thread to secure everything properly. So from this point beyond, the video is actually really detailed enough. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video until it's necessary for me to come back again. So I went ahead to attach the rubber band towards the end of the hair like this, like at the tip of the hair. I went ahead to attach it there, and then once I was done doing that, I just flipped the hair underneath her head like this, just at the back of her neck, just to hide the rest of the hair extension. And once I was done, I went in with bobby pins to secure the hair properly, just so that it doesn't fall and just so that everything stays intact. This was what the hair looked like at this point, and she loved every bit of it, and I also did love every bit of it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and do not also forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post you get a notification and you will be the first to know. I love you guys so much. I'm going to link some of my previous videos to this one so that you guys can also learn. I have lots of beautiful videos for you guys to learn from. Thank you all for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.